In this simple and short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can free up storage on your Android phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings, go to app management, click on app list. Now these are all the applications that are currently installed on your smartphone. So what you need to do is to search for the applications that you use the most, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So let's search for Facebook first. Click on Facebook and then click on the storage option. Now all you have to do is to click on this clear cache option. Then go to Instagram and follow the same method. By doing this, you can free up a lot of storage on your Android phone. Follow the same method for other applications that you use the most. Once you have done that, you need to close your settings and go to File Manager. Here you will see this option, release more space. So click on it and then click on this clean option. As you can see that on my phone, I have 4.5 GB of junk data. By following this method, you can free up a lot of space on your Android as well. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.